Hello everyone, welcome back to Revisiting History. My name is Lini and I'm here in Thailand. You may wonder why am I in this station? This station is called Sanam Chai and it was built under the Grand Palace. So you see the decoration, it looks like palace, so fancy, so beautiful and everything. So yeah, this station was quite old and it was built under the historical site like the Grand Palace. For sure, when they are building, they found something quite interesting, and that one is already in the station. We are not exiting the station just yet. We found these pieces of artifact, like they found, like this one is the bell that they hang it with the cows, ancient bricks, pots, ancient terracotta, and like some Chinese cup. Some of them are in very good condition. Yeah, this one is still so have the pattern on it, still so beautiful. And yeah, there was like a museum in the train station somehow. But in this video, I'm not focusing on this one. We just take a bit of look. Yeah. So when they are constructing this station, take a lot of time to construct because they keep digging underground and they find artifacts. So they have to get the close consultation with the archaeologists in order to recover that the item that they found, every artifact as intact as possible. Yeah, like this one. We are here. So it is like the old castle or old like fortress that used to defend the Grand Palace. You see, the woods are the same woods as hundreds of years ago. Wow. Okay, and oh, we also find some. This one. This one is the shell, the conch, mother of pearl conch. Yeah, they found it under this one. This one is the door of the temple. Yeah. So after, yeah, if that's costly, then let's not do it, because the previous king, he loved like Chinese stuff, but for when the era of King Rama V reached, he came up as a king and he think that why do we need to make everything fancy, everything golden, beautiful? We just make like the normal, like this one, like the ordinary people use in order to save taxpayer money. Yeah, and this one on the top was like a glass bottle fused ink. There was still, some of them are still brand name on it. This one is the horseshoe, very rusty horseshoe. So most of them are found while they are constructing this station. So yeah, this is like the very unexpected place that we could find historical site.
สนามชัยโปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถสนามชัย Station Please mind the gap between train and platform
right now, and behind us, yeah, this place is Museum Siam. You may be wonder What is Siam? Siam is like the old name of Thailand. Before we call them Thailand, we call them Siam. So the place we are going today, we are down here, right? We're taking the escalator up to the place called Museum Siam. Museum Siam is a place that store a lot of ancient Thai artifacts or the things that Thai people in the past usually have done, or usually like a simple household item for the past life people. Yeah. So basically, this place is like an old house, somebody house, but they reserve it very well. You see the stairs are still made from wooden stairs. We begin the exhibition. They said that we have to begin on the third floor. Okay. Yeah, this place looks so old but modern. Not so old, but it has like a European feeling everywhere. Not very Thai house or building use this color. Yeah. So let's get inside. So this one is like Thai dancer. They with the uniform, Thai dance uniform up there and everything shiny. Wow. And in this room there are a lot of old Thai items. Like this one is the very famous Thai novel called Pha Apaimani. This one is coin. I don't know how old it is. I try to find it. Yeah, but this one is definitely at least I think. Oh, King Rama 9. Not so old, but quite old, more than 40 years ago for sure. This one is a little replica of the democracy monument. This one, it's like ancient Thai war, and beside there will be like a old Thai items that ancient old 40-50 years ago they used. Yeah, okay. I just see this one on the floor. This one is like a pot, and you see like the something written on it. This was like to seal the evil spirit inside this pot, and they bury them on the ground. There was a belief that if this pot breaks, that spirit will go and haunt everyone around them. And this one is also the replica of the place where the king lived. This one is the previous king, King Rama IX. His place is so big, and this one is his like the place where he sits. And the one, we just visit this temple earlier. It's called Wat Arun. Yeah, this one we visit him around here. In the previous video, you can go check it out. This one quite interesting. You may see like why are they floating? This one, they say that this one is the universe, but the Thai version of the universe, there was like hell, the place where normal people live, every sun and planet in the constellation or in our solar system, and up there is the heaven, level 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this part, it's about monarchy, royal family. It is not like a normal Thai people real life. But for the next part, let's see how Thai people live their day in the past. This one, you see, some of them you may know some of them. This one is Muay Thai, and that one is farmer. There's the students and the Thai dress. You see Songkran right here, the water gun. Oh, there was also this one. This one looks like a McDonald's Thai. I don't know what this statue called, but it in front of almost every McDonald's. his name is Ronald McDonald. Yeah, you may see this Fanta, red Fanta, and a lot of incense. They are praying to this God. Maybe she can have some spirit power that make people more lucky on their lottery. Yeah, so these are all the Thai people that nowadays we still use this one to write what they want in the food, like ordering on the menu, but you didn't tell the waiter or waitress directly, you write on this one and give it to them. On this one, oh, the spoon, stainless spoon. I'm not sure in you guys' country they have this one or not, but yeah, this is very famous in Thailand. When we have this noodle, we will have this on the side. This one have the chili and sugar, so you can like pour them in the noodle to make them more spicy and tastier. Oh, this one. Nowadays you may see this one in the Starbucks or something. They may use plastic cup, but in the old Thai era, they use this one like a plastic wrap, but they put drinks and ice into it. And yeah, all of these things. There are some Thai people nowadays that are still using this thing. You know, this is not so old. Someone is using it nowadays. It's like this. ขนมปังกรอบ snack. They open the lid. It's an aluminum tin can, and there's a lot of snacks inside. I used to eat this thing when I was very young, and I love it. It have like one tin can is enough for a month for me. Yeah, this one is the king will sit in the middle, and the people around him will row the boat. This one is the royal boat used for the royal ceremony of the king or the queen. Depend on each time. Like when they change the king or queen, they will have the ceremony every year. And this one, oh, Mr. Ronald McDonald. Oh, she is now like a Ramayana character now. Okay, so these are all the famous monk. I know some of the monk. I know him. He's very famous. Yes. So here are Buddha. They're not just the emerald Buddha. They also make Buddha in the different colors. Yeah, and most of the Thai houses will have this spirit shrine. So they put Buddha for make them protect them from evil spirit that will attack them some days. And yeah, this one is the replica of the Emerald Buddha that we have seen in the previous video. This one like a wishing pot. If you can lift the elephant with one finger, that means what are you thinking nowadays? It can be easily accomplished. So this one is a Thai classroom. The table is like this. I will show you. I have sit in this table before. They can open and keep all the student stuff inside. Any books or stationery inside. And yeah, they just use this desk to write everything on the books or notebooks. I used to sit in this when I was young before. So it is quite some nostalgic to me because I used to sit on this desk when I study almost every day. So the next one is the famous Thai food, noodle without the noodle. And all the Thai food you may see some of the famous one. I think not sure you will see. I like this one. This one is called Patong Po. It's the flour stick. It can be eaten in the morning as a breakfast. But some of the Thai food also have like this one is called ขนมจีน ขนมจีน means Chinese snacks, but it is not from Chinese. We just call them Chinese. Oh, this one called Tokyo roll, but it's not from Tokyo or Singaporean sandal, not from Singaporean anymore. So some of the Thai food have like the name that come from different country, and this is quite weird sometimes when you go, when I meet Singaporean friend, I call them, oh, you know, go eat Singaporean sandals, but they don't know what is that. This one is evolution of Thai cone. They call them cone. They have masks. Some of them they wear this one and another mask on top, another mask on top. So they told they wear their makeup and they have a lot more of the any mask that they use. There was a lot, so we couldn't cover all of them. And this one is the pose of the monk back to the Indian era from India. Yeah, so Indian monk and Thai Buddhist monk are not quite similar. Let's get back to this one a bit. This one is instant noodle. In Thai they call them, the brand name is Mama. So we just call all of them Mama no matter what brand it is. Oh, this one. You may not know what is this one. This one is a ticket cylinder vending tube. Ticket vending tube that on the bus they will have a staff that sell tickets. So they will use this thing to cut the ticket and keep the change money inside. And this is a sticker. You may see this one said, sorry, a newbie driver. All of them are just order this one. This car is pink. Some of them they believe that if the car is black, it is not so good for their car. It will cause problem and it is not so lucky. So they just put the sticker. This car is whatever the color they want on the car. Okay, so I think that's all for Museum Siam. This museum are more like to show the normal life of Thailand, unlike the royal palace or any temple that we have visited before. This one is like the not so fancy, not so golden shiny like a palace, but it shows how Thai people in the past really live their life every day